Kia ora guys, welcome to another flip video session. Today we are learning to understand the place value system. Let's get into it. Question time. When can the digit 1 be of a greater value than the digit 9? Have a ponder on that. Time to check out some new vocab. What is a number? A number represents an amount of something. For example, we have 23 Chromebooks in our class. We have 5 MacBooks in our class. We also have 27 students in our class. Numbers represent an amount of something. Moving on, what is a digit? A digit is any number from 0 to 9. We use digits to help us write larger numbers. For example, the number below is 943. That is one number. 943 is one number. However, it is made up of 3 separate digits, a 9, a 4, and a 3. One number, 943, is made up of 3 separate digits. So what is place value and why are digits so important? Our place value system is based on the number 10. Every time we go up a column in the place value system, it is increasing by a factor of 10. But first, what place value columns do we have? First of all, we have the ones column, then the tens, then the hundreds, then the thousands, then the 10,000s, then the 100,000s, then the millions, then the 10 millions, then the 100 millions, then the billions, 10 billions and 100 billions, and it goes on and on and on. And every time you go up one column, it is 10 times bigger than the column before it. So if I have 10 ones, I would have one group of 10. If I have 10 groups of 10, I would have 100. If I have 10 groups of 100, I would have 1,000. If I had 10 groups of 1,000, I would have 10,000. If I had 10 groups of 10,000, I would have 100,000. And if I had 10 groups of 100,000, I would have 1 million. If I had 10 groups of 1 million, I would have 10 million. If I had 10 groups of 10 million, I would have 100 million. And if I had 10 groups of 100 million, I would have a billion. If I had 10 groups of 1 billion, I would have 10 billion. And if I had 10 groups of 10 billion, I would have 100 billion. So every time we go up a place value column, it is 10 times larger. Keep that in mind, guys. Now we're going to expand some numbers. All right, check out this example. The number is 886. In the ones column, we have a 6. In the tens column, we have an 8, and in the hundreds column, we have an 8. The location of each digit matters. The 8 in the hundreds column tells us we have 8 groups of 100. So I have written 800. The 8 in the tens column tells us we have 8 groups of 10. So I have written 80 down. And in the ones column, we have a 6. That tells us we have 6 ones. So when we expand numbers, we do it in this format here. For 886, I write down 800 plus 80 plus 6. If the number was 932, I would write down 900 plus 30 plus 2. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, you can now figure out the question I asked you at the start.